Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this metal hutch-style desk, and first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this desk, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This desk ships in this medium-sized box shown here. Here are the 3 metal desk stands. Here are the 2 metal hutch stands. And here is the left stand of the shelf tower. Here are the 4 cross supports for the hutch shelves. And here are the 2 cross supports for the desktop. Here are the 2 metal brace supports. Here are the 4 cross supports for the drawer cabinet. These are shelves and drawer parts. Here is the large desktop with its smooth finished surface. And here is the cross panel for the desktop. Here are the 2 shelves for the hutch. Here are the 2 drawer bottoms. Here are the semi-organized bags of hardware. The parts do come mixed, so you'll have to take a couple of minutes to sort them out. Here's the mounting hardware if you want to secure the desk to your wall. And here's the assembly instruction manual. Inside, you can see an exploded drawing of the desk, and right beside it, a full parts list showing pictures, part numbers, and quantities. And below, you can see a full hardware list with pictures, part letters, and quantities. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your desk, the number 1 tip to assembling this desk properly is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This desk uses machine bolts and screws for hardware, so the desk parts cannot be restricted since the hardware need to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So in order to seamlessly get the bolts and screws to fit properly, all of the desk parts need to be loose before fully tightening. Now, there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up. And 99% of the time, it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the desk parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each hardware piece by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the desk sits level to the floor. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the desk, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid stripping the bolts. Now, to quickly review this metal hutch-style desk, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this desk is impressive as it combines style, functionality, and durability. Perfect for home office workers, students, and gamers alike. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the design. This desk features an industrial design with a sturdy metal frame that not only looks amazing, but is built to last. It's available in various colors, so you can choose one that fits perfectly with your home decor. And let's talk about these changeable gold handles. The metallic gold accent adds an elegant contrast to the vibrant white finish, giving the desk a touch of glam for a sophisticated look. One of the standout features of this desk is its versatility. Whether you're using it as a computer, office, study, writing, or even a gaming desk, this piece has you covered. It's truly multifunctional. Now let's talk about space. This desk provides ample workspace to spread out all your office necessities. The heightened cross panel on the desktop is a nice touch as it prevents items from falling off the back. Plus, there's plenty of legroom underneath, so you can stretch out comfortably while working or gaming. Storage is another area where this desk excels. You have a top hutch and side shelves that are perfect for displaying books, artwork, potted plants, or family photos. And with 2 spacious drawers, you can keep your workspace neat and organized by tucking away any clutter. Finally, the adjustable legs ensure that your desk stands firm, even on unleveled floors. No more wobbling or tilting, just a sturdy and reliable surface to work or game on. Now, as for the assembly, it took just under 2 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 3 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, but the hardware comes semi-organized, so you'll have to do a little sorting and organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this desk as it combines functionality, style, and durability all in one. And if you're looking to create a harmonious and efficient working environment, then I would highly recommend this versatile hutch-style desk. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.